Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix muted mic on Google Meet. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that I am going to teach you is to unmute in the volume mixer. So this is for the Windows. So to do this, you'll just need to go to the right bottom part of your computer screen to find the audio icon and right click onto the audio icon and choose open volume mixer. So look at the volume controls so you can see in the list and there will be a red sign with a line on the volume icon under the volume control if it is muted. And just click onto the certain icon again to unmute that specific device. The next, you can check the microphone properties. So this is for the Windows and Mac. So for the Windows, you follow the steps right here. So you need to right click onto the audio icon in the lower left corner and just select these sounds from the context menu. So shift to the recording tab at the top and then choose the default microphone device and then select the properties button on the bottom right. And now navigate to the levels tab. So here's the levels tab as you can see here in the photo, and if the volume icon shows your mic is muted, please click on it to unmute the microphone and click OK button to confirm and close the properties window and click OK again to close the sound window. And if the microphone device is not muted, you should move the volume slider to right and increase the volume and click OK. So here is this volume slider and here's the steps on Mac. So if you're using Mac, you can go ahead and follow the steps. So first, you just need to click onto the Apple menu and select the system preferences and choose sound. So shift to the input tab and select the correct microphone and just drag the volume slider to adjust the input volume level. And the next, you can also try to unmute Google Meet. So this is for Windows and Mac devices. So to do this, please, you'll need to look at the bottom of the screen while you're having a meeting, and then just check the status of your microphone. So if it is in red with a slash, it means that the current meeting is muted. So you just need to click onto that icon to unmute your audio. And also you can check and change the microphone status in the Google Meet preview pane before you join in any meetings. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.